What's happening, Expeditioners? It's Pete here, founder of Expedition Money. I want to tell you about my little trick to get through airport security a little faster. Now, you don't have to use the brands that I'm talking about here. There are a lot of different versions of footwear that will make your trip a little easier. So when you are going through TSA security, usually they will have you stripped completely naked or some version of it. But basically, you will often have to take off your belt. You will certainly have to take off your shoes and put those in the bin. And in my hand here, I actually have a shoe that I wear a lot, and it's a brand that you might be familiar with. It's actually Skechers, and it's a step-in shoe. Actually, their brand is called Slip-ins. I also wear a shoe called Kizik, and they are a similar shoe where the heel is designed to give on those shoes and allow your foot to slip in so that you don't actually lace anything up. You might be able to see here on these Skechers, it's just a bungee cord, so there's nothing to actually untie or tie. And what I really love about these types of shoes is that they're easy to kick off. I can just use my feet and pull them off. And when I get through security, after they get scanned and come out piping hot from all those x-rays, what I can do is I can just drop them on the floor and step into them. It helps me get through security a lot faster. If you have to untie shoes and then put them in the basket and then take them out, use a couple hands to get them back on your foot and tie them back up. That's all time that you are standing in line, holding things up. Other people's luggage go by, the queue gets backed up, maybe you start falling over yourself. So you don't have to use a shoe like this, but I really like these because they're light and they're comfortable. They feel just like tennis shoes. The Skechers Slip-ins, they have a really hard heel, so this one does not compress. Basically, it kind of works like a shoehorn. So when I step in it, your foot hits this and it will slide on in. The Kiziks will compress so that you can slide your foot in and then it springs back up on the back. But if you have a different shoe, kind of like a penny loafer or a slip-on or a moccasin or a croc or something like that too, those can be easy to kick off and put back on. So just a little bit of intention around your footwear can make getting through TSA a lot smoother and faster, make your next trip a little more enjoyable. So hopefully that helps. I'll see you later.